It's like I breathe you. Helplessly, I reminisce, don't want to tell nobody to you. I look this look so deep in your eyes. Touch you more and more every time. When you leave, I'm begging you not to go. Call your name 2 or 3 times in a row. Such a funny thing for me to try to explain. I'm feeling in my pride is the one to blame. No, I don't understand. You're looking for no one else can. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your love got me looking so crazy right now. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your touch got me looking so crazy right now.
Tell me right now, who else got an ass like you? Who else so in bed like you? What else make them mad like you? What else make them mad like you? Yeah, I know you.
Hey, Insta na naman. Hataw na tayo, kulitan, walang katapusan.
Doon na pinatunayan natin na hindi lang basta-basta ang mga nakapasok sa ating Grand Finals. Sobrang grabe, mapawaw na talaga. Ngunit, ano kaya ang magiging komento ng Tintastic Jurado sa iyong ipinakitang performance? Kaya naman, Miss Cavite Province Candidate 2026, Tintastic Jurado, Ma'am She Lourdes!
Okay, mga ka-Teen Star, parang patagal ng patagal, pahirap ng pahirap ang trabaho namin dito. Grabe, saving the best for last, but Janela, you have shown a very great performance for this morning. Kaya, keep it up and keep moving and dancing. That's all. Thank you.
Maraming salamat